Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Beauty Theme app and creating a new project. Choose a template that matches your service. You should set base colors and select fonts right away to lock visual identity. Once done, upload a logo file and add a short site title so previews render correctly. Make sure to connect your account credentials to enable saving and cloud sync. These steps get you into the editor quickly and prevent design rework later. You now customize the layout using the block editor. Drag hero, services, gallery, and testimonial sections into place. For each block, replace placeholder text with clear service descriptions and swap images with optimized JPG/PNG assets under 200 KB. Adjust spacing, margins, and columns to balance visual flow. Use the responsive preview and tweak mobile-specific padding. Once done, link buttons to contact, booking, or product pages so every call to action works across devices. You finish by previewing both desktop and mobile layouts and running the built-in accessibility and speed checks. Fix any flagged contrast or alt text issues. Then connect your custom domain, fill SEO meta titles and descriptions, and add analytics and payment settings so the site goes live smoothly. If something breaks after publishing, clear the browser cache, reduce oversized images under 200 KB, and inspect the browser console for errors. These steps resolve most launch problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.